MULN stock analysis. Is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I am the only person in this space with 41 videos documented like this. It's actually done 41,000 videos traded, and it's taken me 5 years. So I have seen what's working for me and what's not, especially something like with MULN. I mean, I had a pretty huge disclaimer on this, but like I said, I'm open-minded to it, you know, like why not? If there was some sort of a shift in a double break, I was willing to take it up, but never got my rules met, which was kind of to be expected. You know, there's nothing, I think there's nothing different between this and this here. So the likelihood that we're going to continue and just demolish the previous lows in my freaking world is actually quite high. And you can see just how many previous receipts I've gotten into Discord with this as well. 32 results, 34 results show up. So that's how MULN is looking like currently for me. This is not forever, this is only for now. This is my supply zone. And only if I do see the price pumping up and giving me some sort of a double break, then and only then I'm going to look to take it down. Because randomly selling, it's not going to be happening. So that's where we're sitting at. And if you do want to learn, I'm waiting for rules, of course. And if you want to learn how to consistently make you 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.